Hello and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I have the HONOR Watch X5i and I'll unbox it. So let's begin. As you can see on the box, there's nothing much happening, so let's just get into it. I'll cut the tape on here. Okay, and it's going to be here and here on this side as well. Now let's open it. Okay, I'll just take it off. It's not the easiest box I've ever unboxed, but there it is. And now let's see what's in there. And of course, the first thing is the watch. We get a 1.97 inch AMOLED ultra thin display and this strap. I'll try it on in a moment. And then here we'll get something else. So I just get into this part of the box. I don't really like destroying boxes, but this one isn't the easiest one. Okay, so there's a warranty card and yeah, so there's the warranty card and the something quick start guide. Now we also get the charging cable. It has those two pins right here, so you can charge it like that. And now let's remove this and turn the watch on. It does really have a large screen. I think it will be too large for my wrist. Let's see it. It does look really good. The screen looks great. Yeah, it will be just really large. But let's get it on. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, and you need to of course connect it. It didn't let me select the language. Okay. Yeah. You need to connect it to your phone or, yeah, that's the only way. So there will be definitely a video about that on how to connect it. We have another button, so there's this digital crown and the button, and that's about it. Yeah, on the back there are some sensors. You can easily remove the straps and put them back on and charge it easily with those two pins attached here. And that will be about it. There's nothing else here, so feel free to check out other videos on this watch, some tricks, some setup guides, and other tests. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.